rest, friends, nature, peace.
Hello everyone, my name is Shah. Welcome to Shah Easy English. Today I want to tell you a story about my Sunday. Sit back, relax and enjoy. Today is Sunday. Sunday is my favorite day of the week. I do not have to go to work today.
I open my eyes at 8 o'clock. The room is warm and bright. The sunlight is coming through the curtains and it feels so nice on my face. I walk to the kitchen to make my breakfast. I am not in a hurry today. It is Sunday.
I hold my cup with both hands. I take a slow sip. It is hot and sweet and perfect. After breakfast, I walk to the big window. I look outside. The sky is completely blue. There is not a single cloud anywhere. I can feel the warmth of the sun through the glass.
Then I make a decision. I am definitely going to the park today. I go to my room and I change my clothes. Then I sit near the front door and I put on my white sneakers.
I put on my light jacket and I zip it up halfway. I check my pockets, phone, yes. Keys, yes. I look in the mirror, I look good. The park is about 10 minutes from my house. I always enjoy walking there because the street is very pretty. I notice the flowers along the side of the road. Red flowers and yellow flowers and white flowers. They are in full bloom today.
The street is quiet. An old man is sitting on the steps of his house reading a newspaper. I smile at him as I pass. The sun feels warm on my shoulders. The air smells clean and fresh. I am not in a hurry at all. This is exactly what a Sunday should feel like.
I walk slowly along the main path. I breathe in deeply. The air here is so much fresher than on the street. I find my favorite bench, the old wooden one under the big oak tree. I sit down and I lean back. I open my eyes and I look up at the sky through the branches. Suddenly I hear my name. I look up. It is Tom. What a surprise! We sit and talk. We laugh a lot. Time goes fast with a good friend.
Tom has to go. We say goodbye. He says, same time next Sunday. I walk home slowly. The light is warm and golden. I feel calm and happy.
Simple day. But the best days are always simple. I am home. Shoes off, jacket on the hook. Time to rest. I sit on my sofa. I sink in. I am tired, but the good kind of tired.
No phone, no TV, just the quiet sky, orange and purple. So beautiful. Rest, friends, nature, peace. This is Sunday.
That was my Sunday. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more. Goodbye.